So, turo natin tong partial derivative. Dali lang to. Kunwari, ayan, let the function of z is equals to x cubed plus 3xy. Magdi-derivative lang tayo, pero naka-respect lang sa isang variable. Kunwari, di ba yan, dalawang variable. Focus lang muna tayo sa isang variable. So, halimbawa, derivative of x with respect to x magiging dz dx. O, halimbawa naman, derivative of z with respect of the y. Ito walang d. Yan. Parenthesis. Aking nasulat. dz dy. Gets nyo na yan. Example na agad. So, dito, derivative natin in terms of x muna. Derivative of z in terms of x. Pwede natin isulat na z sub x. Pwede rin naman dz dx. Italin dyan. Ito na lang, maikli eh. So, pagka nag-derivative tayo in terms of x, yung y natin dyan, yung isang variable dyan, magiging constant. Iseset natin siya as constant. So, derivative na itong unang term, 3x squared, plus derivative na itong second term, constant si y, constant din si 3, derivative ng x, 1 lang, 3y. Pwede rin natin isulat dz dx. Ito sa ano to sa ilalim to. Nakapahan kasi ng sulat eh. Z terms of x. Yan. Pwede rin isulat natin dz over dx is equals to 3x squared plus 3y. So naman, derivative natin in terms of y. So, mangyayari naman dito, sa x naman yung iseset natin as constant. So, derivative nito, x cubed. So, constant lang si x. Derivative ng constant, hindi 0. Derivative nitong second term, constant si 3, constant si x, si y lang. Oh no, nagbabagsakan. So, derivative ng y, 1. Ang matitira, 3x. Okay. Z, derivative of z in terms of y is equals to 3x. Pwede rin natin isulat yan as dz dy is equals to 3x. Dali, ano? Dali. Lagyan na natin ng trigo para masaya. Function na z equals to sin xy plus 3xy. So, ano ba maganda unahin? X na lang ulit. Sana eh. So, z sub derivative of z in terms of x, saset natin si y as constant, magiging derivative nito, cosine, copy lang yung nasa loob, derivative ng nasa loob, constant si y, so derivative ng x1, matitira y. Tapos, derivative ng second term in terms of x, 3y. Magiging 1 lang tong x. Ayun na agad. Dali, ano? In terms of y naman, tapos isiset natin yung x as constant. Ganyan lang din, cosine, xy. Kaso, mag-iiba nasa loob. Anong derivative ng xy in terms of y? Okay, constant si... Ay, mali. Anong derivative... Ay, ano bang ginawa ko din? Tama. Ano bang derivative ng xy in terms of y? Di, magiging constant natin si x. Matitira x. Dahil derivative ng y, 1 lang. Ito naman, derivative ng term na to, constant si x. Tapos, derivative ng y, 1. De, 3x lang. Yan, parang nagbabaligtad lang. Oh. Ano pa tayo example sa lecture? Ito. Z is equals to 9u over u squared plus 5v. Evaluate all of the first order partial derivative. So, evaluate natin daw yung lahat ng first order partial derivative. Ilan ba lahat ng variable natin dyan? 2. Meron tayong u, meron tayong v. So, unahin natin si u. Derivative of z in terms of u. So, isiset natin si v as constant. Okay. Paano natin din derivative to? Oh no, nakalimutan na yun. Quotient rule. Si low d high, high d low, over low squared. So, paano ba muna? Low, wag na, L na lang. Sige, buo na nga. Hanip na yan. Gulo mo. Low d high minus high d low over low squared. So, ito yung low. Ayan. Ito yung high. Yung magiging, copy natin si low, u squared plus 5v multiplied by derivative ng, teka lang, labas na lang natin. Derivative ng 9u minus yung high natin, 9u times derivative ng low natin, ito, u squared plus 5v. Excuse me. Tapos, yung low natin, ito, u squared plus 5v squared, quantity squared. So, derivative na tayo. U squared plus 5v. Derivative ng 9u in terms of u. Yung u magiging 1. Ang matitira, 9. Minus, kapilan natin to, 9u times derivative nitong term na to in terms of u. May constant lang si 5 tsaka si v. 0 na yan. Pumiyok pa. So, derivative na ito, power rule, 2u over u squared plus 5v quantity squared. So, distribute lang natin si 9. Magiging 9u squared plus 9 times 5, 45v. Ano ito plus yan? Minus 9 times 2, 18. U times u squared over u squared plus 5v squared. Tapos, ito pa ba simplify? Ito. Itong term na to. Magiging 18 minus 9. 9, negative 9. Wag. Pili natin yan. 45v minus 9u squared over u squared plus 5v quantity squared. Ayun na yung final answer. Pwede pa palang yan. Factor out yung 9. Magiging 45 divided by 9, 5. 9 divided by 9, 1. U squared over u squared plus 5v squared. Ayan na yung final answer sa z in terms of u. Derivative of z in terms of u. So, next naman, derivative ng z in terms of v. So, copy lang ulit natin yung yung equation. Z is equals to 9u u squared plus 5v. So, natin yung partial derivative in terms of v. 1. So, ang isaset natin na constant is cu. So, ganyan lang ulit. Low d high, high d low. Ito si high. Ito si low. So, low di high. Copy mo si low. Derivative ng high in terms of v, constant lang, 0. Hindi mag-cancel na agad yan. Tapos, low di high di low. In u. Derivative ng low in terms of v, u squared constant lang, magiging 0. Derivative ng 5v, 5. Over low squared. Ang dali na ito ah. So, 9 times 5, negative 45u over u squared plus 5v. Ayun ay final answer sa derivative of z in terms of v. So, ano pa tayo?